Why, hello, how you doing? How can I help? Can't handle the heat, my friend? Okay, leave it.
We ain't talking right now, got my man's Trevor right now. We about to both do a video, bro. Before we start the video, we both want to do our video. So we said we gonna shadow box for who do their video first. We're gonna let y'all go see the shadow box.
I'm ready to do a little. I don't know if it's propped up. Just let me get it. But yeah.
Hold on. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. That's y'all to do.
That's what I think too.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh yeah, there we go. All right. There you go. All right. Ooh, hold on.
Okay. Hold on, I thought we hug. Like
Oh yeah. Oh, all right.
Hold on, I'm already. You gotta go like you going slow as shit.
Hold on.
You go hella slow.
Oh wait. So how you supposed? Because how I do it, bro, I'll be like, what first one to get like 3? Like
yeah,
somebody do 3.
but you go.
You do the same motion twice.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And then the second time I got.
All right.
That way.
That way.
That way.
That way.
That way.
Okay. That way. Okay. Down. Okay. Down up.
Hold up. No, you.
Hold on.
Hold up. You supposed to go down. All right.
Down up. Okay. That way.
I'm lagging.
I'm back.
I'm lagging.
That way.
It's my turn.
Wait, I thought you lagged.
All right, go ahead.
All right. That way. That way.
Man, shit ain't got serious, man.
He
needs some milk.
What is he talking about? This shit easy.
Yo, bro, it's like.
This shit easy.
Yo, bro. It's like. There's no way, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, it's like.
Hold up. I'm gonna rewind that for y'all. Put it in slow mo.
Yo. It's like after you get caught once, bro, you gotta. It's like you following this shit, bro. Like you feel me, bro? Nigga, this ain't the worst, bro.
Yo. I'm gonna put that bitch in slow mo for y'all. Now it's time for the video.
You have any? They're gonna be very back wall.
We got one. Now we got this one.
Have you ever tried this media with that She want me! She want me!
There you go. She got it. He said, I'll be here for it. I'll be here for it. Bullshit. That's right.
Sorry, Tommy. We not thieves. That's all gonna be paid for in the future.
In the future, you feel me?
That's perfect.
If you turn it, like, let me see you turn it.
What?
Like if you turn it, you could like sweat it now.
Oh no, see that's like actually.
That's it.
I'm trying to make it like a sleeve. Shit.
Oh, really? Yeah. Wait, how you zoom in on the? Oh shit. Oh,
Dang,
shit.
I'm screaming. Oh, okay. But damn, I got the camera hello. Got the camera wet. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
My fault, bro. spit on you, bro. I like. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. My apologies. Did that get on you? You want me to wipe it off? You good? My apologies. Get on you?
You fucking with me right now? Don't be fucking with me right now.
My fault. I did not mean to spit that on.
Okay. You didn't like spray a bottle out of it behind your hand?
Nah.
Nah, you sure about that?
Yeah, my fault.
He's right up on me.
Yeah, my apologies. I was trying to look at the grill. My
Like,
apologies.
you seriously don't have no behind your hand?
Nah.
You're not fucking with me?
Nah, I'm disabled. That's why my hand.
Oh, sorry, man.
Sorry, Daddy. Next victim. Excuse me.
What?
They not giving me no reaction. Like, what if people used to get spit on me? I get spit on. You just fucking spit on me, bro. Tissue. Bevy is actually a good brand. My apologies. My apologies. Bounty. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Did it get on you?
No, I'm good.
My apologies. People gotta be used to getting spit on or something. Cause like, why nobody give me a reaction? Like, niggas just, I'm good. Nigga, you just fucking spit on me. Like, what do you mean? You good? Something wrong with you. You niggas not real. You niggas is bots. Somebody spit on what you gonna do if somebody spit on you?
Bro, smacking the shit out there. I ain't gonna.
You good? Nigga, I spit on you. What do you mean, am I good? What the niggas is lying? Like, I still can't believe this shit. Yeah, man, we here with it. We trying to find a target, you feel me? In Target. That's tough. Shut your lame ass up, nigga. A Target. In Target. I don't see nobody. I would do the lady, but I'm gonna start off with a man. Pause. That's like, this shit, like, I don't be meaning to say gay shit. Just be saying it. He with his kid. Like, it's so many potential targets, man. Like, perfect. My apologies. He was. I was kind of scared.
And what are you doing? Just be careful about it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
He needs some milk.
Scary as shit.
Thank you.
Bro, what's running, bro? Bro, let's take a break, bro. Let's take a
Yo, I guess we put out a target, man. If y'all want to see another video like that, man, make sure you drop a like. My car's still parked over this. I'm scared. I seen him walking, I'm like, oh shit. He followed me. Then the 2 security guards came right there.
Nigga said no thank you.
He said, hey buddy, come with me real quick. No thank you. I kept walking. He said, no thank you. If y'all want to see more videos like that, man, make sure y'all drop a like. Make sure y'all subscribe to Trevor channel, man. Trevor 40, yeah. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I didn't even run no damn
That
way.
bitch was intense, bro. Dummy, he was really chasing you. And they said it on the comms. They was like,
Keep right there.
what?
We gone. We out, man.
Fuck that.
We gonna take the long way to my car. Fuck it. We in Old Navy with it. They probably already follow us around. They were at Target, so. Drop a like on the video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe.
You got a whole boyfriend keep on asking being vid. Bro, they only hit headshots. Need to sign that boy the lids.